Hi, I'm Dr. David Targan, and welcome to BioDigest. The Orphan Drug Act was made into law in the United States in 1983. It provides companies incentives to develop new treatments for rare disorders, diseases that affect fewer than 200,000 people in the United States. NORD, the National Organization for Rare Disorders, was also established in 1983 and has continued to be the voice committed to the identification, treatment, and cure of rare disorders through education, advocacy, research, and service. In many cases, NORD has found a natural partner in biotechnology companies who specialize in innovative treatments for previously untreatable diseases.
NORD is a national organization for rare disorders.
Good afternoon, NORD. Can I help you?
We have, on a daily basis, literally hundreds of patients calling us or inquiring.
They will have information for you regarding disability and how to apply for it.
And we provide a hands-on service to those patients, whether it be helping them identify where they may need to get a drug, whether it be identifying where there may be a clinician that may be doing research or work on a particular area that they're interested in, or whether it may be helping them find a clinical trial somewhere for their particular therapy.
For example, I had a phone call today that broke my heart. A woman called, she just found out her infant has spinal muscular atrophy. And basically the prognosis, the child may have up to 2 years to live. And she was just hoping that maybe she could find out about some research going on, other people to connect with. You know, she was just desperate.
As soon as they find out that they're not the only one with this particular disorder, that they're not alone, that's one of the most important things for them, for anyone who's suffering from a rare disease, because there's a sense of isolation and that no one knows about it and no one knows how to treat it.
NORD is really here to represent the patients. We are the hub and the voice for patients at multiple levels.
When you have a child that has a disorder, it's a little scary at first, and it's really nice to have as much of a support system in place as you can get. And NORD is part of that support system for families. If you have a question, you can call NORD. If you need assistance with anything, really, you can call NORD. And if they don't know the answer, they can direct you.
We have 3 children, and 2 of them have PKU. PKU is essentially a genetic disorder. It's inherited from the parents, and their livers are unable to process the phenylalanine.
Let's go ahead and make our mix for tomorrow.
Okay.
They digest protein differently than normal children do. They're on a special diet and special drug therapy that helps maintain a low Phe level, because we know phenylalanine is toxic to the brain. So we definitely want to keep the Phe level low, and then we have healthy, happy kids.
This gives me protein to keep me healthy, and if I would go off of this, I would start heading towards mental retardation. And I don't want that because I am very active in my school. My oldest brother is Caleb. He is another one that has PKU. He is also very active in baseball. He is very, very good at baseball.
My garden is used for my sister and I with the PKU. All this food, we grow our fruits and vegetables in here. Here at the top part we have corn, then we got beans and cabbage, zucchini.
You know, we're really blessed because in our kids' lifetime, we have so many new biotechnologies that are out there. We joined the clinical trial of Kuvan, which is a product that was developed by BioMarin.
BioMarin's mission is to bring innovative therapeutics to patients with serious medical needs, and more specifically, we focus on bringing first-to-market products for patients with rare disorders. Kuvan is a cofactor to the enzyme PAs. It enables the enzyme to work better. So it's a supplement that activates the enzyme and allows the enzyme to degrade phenylalanine.
If you saw me on a soccer field or on horseback and you didn't know me, you would not see anything different, and you wouldn't realize that I actually have a disorder.
I think that the basic premise with NORD is that if a child has a need, they'll help you find a way.
NORD works with biotech companies in a number of different ways. We do everything from helping them identify patients for clinical trials, to understanding if they may have an issue with the FDA that we think is something that's important, that we help break down a roadblock or a barrier that may be holding up the drug approval process. So we've seen a lot of successes so far, but we have a long way to go. We're partnering and taking NORD much more globally because we recognize that rare diseases are global. And so we're starting to partner to build broader networks so we can connect more people and we can find the researcher and we can find the company that can help develop a therapy that I feel like I will have contributed something in this life.
There are nearly 7,000 different rare disorders, affecting a total of more than 25 million Americans today. NORD's commitment to these communities, combined with biotechnology's development of innovative therapies, continues to hold the promise of a better life for countless families and individuals in the U.S. and around the world. Please stay tuned for some important safety information at the conclusion of this video. For BioDigest, I'm Dr. David Targan. Kuvan, sapropterin dihydrochloride tablets, is a prescription drug approved to reduce blood Phe levels in patients with hyperphenylalaninemia, HPA, due to tetrahydrobiopterin, BH4 responsive phenylketonuria, PKU. Kuvan is to be used with a Phe-restricted diet. Talk to your doctor to see if Kuvan is right for you. High blood Phe levels are toxic to the brain and can lead to lower intelligence and a decrease in the ability to focus, remember, and organize information. Any change you make to your diet may impact your blood Phe level. Always remember to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Your doctor and dietitian will continue to monitor your diet and blood Phe levels throughout your treatment with Kuvan. If you have a fever or if you are sick, your Phe level may go up. Tell your doctor and dietitian as soon as possible so they can see if they have to adjust your treatment to help keep your blood Phe levels in the desired range. Kuvan is a prescription medicine and should not be taken by people who are allergic to any of its ingredients. Tell your doctor if you have ever had liver or kidney problems, are nursing or pregnant or may become pregnant, have poor nutrition or are anorexic. Your doctor will decide if Kuvan is right for you. Tell your doctor about all the medicines you take. The most common side effects reported when using Kuvan are headache, diarrhea, abdominal pain, upper respiratory tract infection like a cold, throat pain, vomiting, and nausea. Visit www.kuvan.com to read Kuvan's full prescribing information.